You can see the steam coming off the pool from the cold weather and the hot water. It's beautiful. All right, we're gonna go to STORMALONG Bay. Even though it's freezing, it's probably in the high 40s, low 50s with this wind chill. You can see everyone's still bundled up here. But we're gonna go hardcore and get in that pool, no matter what. Look at this crazy slide we're about to go on the pirate ship here. With this, I don't know, it's a little kiddie pool here. Hello, how you doing? All right, up. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this view from the pirate ship. To the slide here, check it out. Amazing. Look at that view. It's freezing cold. Phew. Oh. Oh no. Oh. That's so cool. Sand bottom, pretty cool. This pool is so amazing. Even though it's freezing out, the water it's got to be in the mid 80s, so it's actually warmer in the water than if you were to be walking around. Wow, so cool. Hello, how you doing? Good, thank you. The sand bottom is so sick. Let's check it out again. What's up, man? What's up, man? How you doing? All right, man. We've got at least 15 lifeguards watching. Just me and my son. It's pretty sick. Back to the yacht club. What's up, man? How you doing? Let's go to this spot. We're going to go to the hot tub here. How do you start it? Oh, over here. Gotta press this button. Alright, so we are doing so awesome here at the beach and yacht club. We're actually on the yacht club side right now, but we're hanging out in the hot tub. It is so beautiful in this cold, cold weather. Let's check it out. Look at this steam coming out. Ready? All right, we're gonna go on this ship over here. Let's go. All right, I'm soaking wet, I'm freezing, but we're going on the slide. Here it is. How you doing? What's up? We're getting some weird looks. It's so cold out. Look at everybody. It's so dressed up.